welcome to Lizzy's world. Today we are going to be doing slime DIY, and these are slime that I already made. I'm going to show you how to make this. So this is my slime kit. So I got pink hearts, silver confetti, green activator, and brownish purple. So let's get started making this. Step 1, you get your container. Step 2, add your activator. Step 3, add your fungies. If you're doing 2, add half. Again, if you're doing 2, add your second color. Now let's add our confetti. Mix it up, then add water. Only fill to that line. Let's go add our water. Come on, follow me. Now let's add our cold water. Now let's stir it. Now remember to shake well for 30 seconds. Now open the lid and wait for 5 minutes. Time. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. It looks so cool and it feels so cool. I want you guys to feel this. Now let's add our charm in. Now let's decorate our can. Make sure you label. Now our slime is ready to go. Thank you for hanging out with me. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell. And give this video a big thumbs up. Make today an adventure. Goodbye.